Hello everybody and welcome to GeeKeStan. Since this is the first video in this channel, let me introduce the channel, myself and what is supposed to going on here. My name is Hamid. I'm a DevOps engineer and in this channel I will talk about software development technologies and especially DevOps tools and topics. As a first journey, I have planned to implement a CI/CD workflow from A to Z. But there is an important assumption that we must keep it in mind during this journey. We are going to assume that a CI/CD workflow already exists. Let's call it traditional CI/CD. And it's configured by Jenkins and some virtual machines in two separated environments, stage and production. Also, there isn't any containerization and Kubernetes cluster. Consequently, our journey will exactly start from here, where we want to migrate from a traditional CI/CD procedure to a new one with Kubernetes cluster and containerization. By this introduction, I'll kick off with creating a new infrastructure environment through AWS EC2, Terraform, Ansible, Jenkins, and Kubernetes. As you can see in this diagram, Terraform and AWS EC2 will be used for creating required VMs. Afterward, Ansible will be used for provisioning the VMs, and finally, the Kubernetes cluster will be installed by Ansible kubespray. After implementing this infrastructure, I will focus on designing a CI/CD pipeline by Jenkins shared library to deploy new versions on the Kubernetes cluster. Additionally, since I'm eager to get into the Kubernetes cluster, I'll try to more play around with it by installing at least one shared storage solution like Rook or Longhorn. Furthermore, I will install Prometheus and Grafana as a monitoring solution, and probably I will attempt to change container runtime in the Kubernetes cluster and look into another container solutions like CRI-O or Containerd. That was a brief introduction about the channel and what's going on here. I'll see you soon in the next video and implementing the infrastructure by Terraform and AWS EC2. Until then, stay tuned, stay tuned.